well connected with the world by vessel, air, train, etc. ZIBO, as an important transportation hub in North China and a well-known industrial city in China, is destined to be a place full of business opportunities. Relying on the good location advantage and industry foundation, ZIBO ZHAOHAN Vacuum Pump Company Limited rises here. ZIBO ZHAOHAN Vacuum Pump Company Limited is located in Baoshan District, ZIBO City, Shandong Province, covering an area of 38,000 square meters. The company takes high service and high quality as the highest purpose of the enterprise. Through the combination of online and offline sales, the products radiate all over the world. The customer satisfaction and market share remain at the leading level in the vacuum pump industry. The company has annual production capacity of 1,000 sets of 2BE series liquid ring vacuum pumps, 2,000 sets of 2BV series liquid ring vacuum pumps, 1,500 sets of CL and other series liquid ring vacuum pumps and compressors, can provide customers with one-stop purchasing services. Since its establishment in 1998, ZHAOHAN Vacuum, which regards quality and service as the lifeline of the enterprise development, has continuously improved its product quality to meet the customer's requirement. In the past 15 years, after continuous research, development, and improvement, our products have reached a leading level in China vacuum industry and obtained the CE and ATEC certification issued by the European Union. The company focuses on the introduction of advanced German production technology, complete production equipment, professional inspection equipment, and strict management process to create the first-class quality of ZHAOHAN products. Our main products are 2BE1, 2BE3, 2BE4 series liquid ring vacuum pump and compressor, 2BV series liquid ring vacuum pump and compressor, CL series liquid ring vacuum pump and compressor, AT series double stages liquid ring vacuum pump, TC series double stages liquid ring vacuum pump, SX series liquid ring vacuum compressor, and ZHV series 2 stages liquid ring vacuum pump for high vacuum industry. And in order to meet different customers' demand, we can design vacuum system and customized products. According to different application, select different materials including cast iron, carbon steel, ductile iron, stainless steel SS304, stainless steel SS316L, and duplex stainless steel SS2205, spray stainless steel coating or Belzona ceramic coating on impeller, pump body, pump cover, and other flow parts according to different customers' requirements. According to the strict demand for quality and technology of ZHAOHAN people, a scientific and rigorous quality management system is constructed, and the quality control is strictly executed. Every product of the company, from casting, fasteners, machining, assembling, testing, painting, and package, will be strictly inspected before shipment. Take the responsibility of quality, strictly control the quality. All products are using original Timken, FAG, NSK, SKF bearings, Bergman or John Crane mechanical seal. All these parts are purchased in bulk quantity through the official distributor with original certificate. In order to ensure the strength of impeller and best performance of the vacuum pump, the company adopts cast impeller using castings from best domestic foundries, carrying out two dynamic balance testing on rotor assembly to ensure that the balance result is higher than the ISO G6.3 standards. All inner surfaces of pump casting are machined, high-precision CNC machining center to ensure the machining accuracy of each part, and keep the machining records of each part to establish traceability quality management system. To satisfy the customer's different ways of installation, both top and side inlet and outlet are opened and machined. Pump cover flange is machined by boring machine. equipped with auto-drain valve to prevent customers from the unload starting. In accordance with European safety requirements, protection guard is added to the bearing. Advanced painting room to ensure best finishing quality. After abrasive blasted, use Hempel epoxy painting. All castings are provided with related material test report, which are provided to customer as quality documents with the order. Think on the side of customer. Follow the customer's demand. To make you satisfied is our pursuit as always. We strictly follow German high-standard assembly process. All products are carried out full of performance testing before delivery. After 2 to 3 hours of perfect operation, the product can be arranged for painting after test result is satisfied. Make sure that every product is presented in its perfect way in front of you. The company has independent R&D team and a cooperative R&D center. With international leading technology, the company has a number of independent intellectual property rights, scientific research results, and invention patents. Establish complete system of production, learning, research, and profit sharing with famous universities and industry research institutions to guide the company's products to high-end development. With effort of all direction, an international brand with diversified development is strongly founded, which manifests a spirited posture of ZHAOHAN Vacuum as pioneer of vacuum pump industry. High-quality products, professional technology, exquisite service, one customer support and trust. Based on domestic sales, ZHAOHAN Vacuum extends its business all over the world. The products are exported to the United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, Italy, Spain, Finland, Poland, Russia, and other more than 40 countries and regions, in the leading position in the vacuum industry in China, and obtain the unanimous approval of foreign customers. In order to let customers to experience the high-quality products of ZHAOHAN Vacuum, the company has participated in many international exhibitions in the United States, Germany, Italy, Poland, Russia, and so on, and has been highly praised by customers. Dream is surging, the future is reaching. Bearing the bold and resolute, the wisdom and easiness of the wise, ZHAOHAN is towarding the world to create international brand. With dream of continuing to make the greater achievement, pursue the brilliant future.